Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to replicate broken or shattered safety glass on your scale models or tempered glass. Really simple, very few materials needed. There's a few different things you can use. This is what I use personally, just white colored sand from a craft store. You can also use ice sparkles from AK. I think Deluxe Materials makes some as well. I tried it with this. I didn't particularly like it. And you're going to need glue. I use super glue just because I don't feel like waiting for regular glue to dry, PVA glue. If you use super glue, make sure it is a flexible super glue. So make sure it says flex on there somewhere. Also use accelerator. But again, you can use PVA glue. If you do, just make sure that it dries crystal clear. You want completely transparent, not translucent. Then you're going to need, I use acetate. Just something that the glue won't stick to. You can use like a Ziploc bag. I would stay away from saran wrap though. It just doesn't have enough backbone. It was aggravating getting the glue off of it. Let's get started. I'm going to put a dab of glue on the acetate. And then we're going to spread the glue out. And you want the glue to be pretty thin. Keep in mind scale thickness of a windshield. So there you can see it's pretty thin. Now we're going to take our sand and just sprinkle it on there. Or ice sparkles, whatever you choose. This is the part you're probably going to have to play around with to see how much you want on the glue. You know, it's kind of up to you. And then, again, I'm going to accelerate it, but if you're using PVA glue, just wait for it to dry and you're good. You can cut it to shape. Once this cures, I'll be right back. Alright, we should be good to go. So we're just going to peel it off. I'm just going to dry some of the accelerator. Get some of that off so I can show you how it looks when it's dry. There you go. And this is what it looks like when it's in the actual model. And again, this is why it's super important to use a flexible CA glue, because you're going to be cutting on it and bending it. And it is super brittle if you don't use the flexible kind. Hey, please excuse the edit, but there's a couple of things I forgot to mention. First, when you've installed your broken windshield, sprinkle some sand or sparkles around the broken windshield and use pigment fixer, whatever, to set it down. And I forgot to compare the sand and the sparkles. So here is the sparkles. If you can just kind of imagine that. To my eye, it just didn't look right, but to yours it might look great. Anyways, I hope this helps. You guys have a great day. Bye.